In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount on TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clean, effective product discount that's ready to go live. Make sure you're signed in to your TikTok Shop seller account and that your shop has the necessary permissions to run promotions, as features can vary by region and account type. Start by opening your TikTok Shop account in the Seller Center, either on desktop or the mobile app. From your main dashboard, head to the Marketing section. This is where TikTok groups the tools you'll use to boost visibility and sales. Inside Marketing, select Promotions. You'll see different campaign formats here. Choose Product Discount, which is the tool designed specifically for price reductions on selected items. Click Create to start a new promotion. The first thing you'll enter is the promotion name. Pick something clear and specific so you and your team can identify it later. Include the product or collection and the date range. Keep it professional and compliant with your brand guidelines. Next, set the promotion period and discount type. Choose the start and end times carefully, paying attention to your store's time zone. For the discount type, you can typically use either a percentage off or a fixed amount off. Consider your margins, shipping costs, and any platform fees so your discount remains profitable. If you're running multiple offers, remember that some discounts might not stack, so plan accordingly. Now choose the products for this promotion. Click Select Product, then search or filter to find the exact items you want to include. Double-check variations such as sizes or colors, and make sure inventory is healthy enough to support the discount window. Confirm your selections so they appear in the promotion setup. Before finalizing, review everything you've entered: the name, the schedule, the discount value, and the product list. If an item shouldn't be discounted, remove it now. When you're satisfied, agree to the terms and click Publish. Your promotion will either go live immediately or at the scheduled time you set. After publishing, keep an eye on performance within the marketing and promotions area. If you need to adjust the discount or pause the offer, you can do that from the same place, as long as the platform allows edits during the active period. To get the most out of your discount, align it with content and live streams, update product titles and thumbnails for clarity, and set a sensible end date to create urgency without pressuring customers. That's it. Your product discount is live and ready to drive sales. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next promotion on TikTok Shop.